Hey, what's up guys? My name is David and today I will be talking about what dropshipping and what Shopify is. If you're completely new to this area, make sure you give a big thumbs up to this video because you're going to be getting some knowledge on what those terms are. And who wouldn't want to know those terms, because those terms, they make you some money. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications because every week I will be dropping a new video giving you some more information on how you can start your own Shopify business. So let's get started. What is Shopify? Shopify is a website where you can actually build your own store online. You can access this just by going to shopify.com, and you can even download an application on your phone just called Shopify. The way that most people make money with Shopify is called drop shipping. Now what drop shipping is let's say you have a product. I have a yoga mat right here. Let's say you want to sell this yoga mat. Where the heck are you going to get this yoga mat? So there are Chinese websites online that sell in bulk. And do we really want to buy a whole bunch of mats? We may or we may not, because what if these don't sell, right? So what's cool about these China vendors or these China manufacturers is that you can actually import their products that they sell onto your Shopify store using an app. So the way you import products is a little more advanced, so I'm not going to touch on that. I'm just going to give you a general idea of what dropshipping is, okay? So let's say you go to this vendor, you go to aliexpress.com. That's what mostly everybody uses for dropshipping. And let's say you find a cool mat like this. This mat is not a good example. I would not sell this on my store. I'm just using this as an example, okay? So let's say you import this product into your store. Then you run some basic Facebook and Instagram ads to drive traffic onto your store. And let's say somebody buys this mat. So because you don't have this mat, because we obviously didn't want to buy a whole bunch of mats, you just go to the China manufacturer and you put in the information of the person who bought from your store. Let's say you're getting this for $2 and you're selling it for $15, okay? You make the profit in between that. So you input the information of your customer into AliExpress. They're responsible for shipping. You don't have to worry about that. And that's pretty much the whole deal, okay? You're like the middleman. All you got to do is choose good products, put them in your store, run some ads, and hopefully they hit. The hard part though, because I don't want to make it seem like it's so easy, because it's not. The hard part is learning what kind of products to choose. And I'll be going over all those details in my future videos. So make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Turn on the post notifications if you want to learn. This channel is going to be strictly for beginners. I'm going to try to do videos that I wish I would have had when I first started learning, okay? So make sure you're subscribed. I will see you guys in the next video. I will be posting videos every single week. So take care, guys. And I hope you don't give up on this journey, because I didn't give up and it's starting to pay off, guys. I'm not a pro or anything, but it's just, I'm starting to see results and I'm very excited. So I'm just trying to share what I know. All right, guys, take care.